Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you should open its settings, then you should go to the system section, then go to the advanced reset options and select erase all data factory reset. Then tap erase all data and then once again, and device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.